We'll cover Nifty's continued rise, fueled by hints of an upcoming Fed rate cut, and what to watch for in Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Plus, we'll highlight the latest market movements and technical insights. This morning, GIFT Nifty is comfortably in the green. There is a welcome news for the Nifty bulls camp who have been eagerly waiting for an interest rate cut. The positive catalyst, FOMC minutes indicate that the Federal Reserve is set to cut rates in September. All bullish eyes now turn to the biggest event this week, Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech on Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. All eyes and ears will be tuned in to see if Powell 1. Confirms a rate cut is coming in September. 2. And if so, by how much? 3. Or if it sounds like it may get postponed until November. Bottom line, Nifty is likely to be in top gear with next goalpost continues to be at its all-time high at 25,078.30 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 800 crores while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 3097 crores. Nifty sentiments continue to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating solid strength in uptrend. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.33 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.35 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook, bulls are likely to be everywhere. Nifty, CMP to 4770. Support, 24,700 to 24,600. Resistance, 24,900 to 25,000. Range, 24,700 to 25,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50686. Support, 50,400 to 50,200. Resistance, 51,000 to 51,200. Range, 50,400 to 51,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty's 4 days rally in a row is inspiring FOMO attraction at Dalal Street, and most importantly, the street is actually hoping for more fireworks at the Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole conference on Friday, 23rd August. Our call of the day suggests that Nifty is likely to trade on the front foot and hopefully, the string of gains continues for 5th day in a row. 1. NECA was up 10% in yesterday's trade and most importantly, hit a 2-year high of 228 rupees and 30 paise as traders welcomed their Q1 announced, reporting 152% YoY jump in net profit of 13.6 crore rupees for the quarter ended 30th June 2024, Q1 FY25. 2. Larsen & Toubro was in limelight after bagging large order for integrated infrastructure development project in town planning schemes 2-7 under the Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area (NENA) project in Maharashtra.